guys, and welcome to another CNC programming tutorial video. This video is just a requested video from one of the subscribers. His name is Robert Welshman, and he wanted to know how to load the NPR file into the Homag control. As you can see here, I have this program right now loaded on place number 1. This machine has 4 places. Okay, so I'm just gonna load the new program. So I'm gonna select this program and click select, and I'm gonna look for that program that I want to run on the machine, and it's gonna be this guy right here. I'm click open and I'm click accept up here. Okay, now I have the program loaded into the Homag control, so I'm gonna run the program real quick. So you have to please on place 1, and I'm gonna hit cycle start to start the program. That's it. There's the part. All right. I don't know if you were able to hear me really clear. There's a lot of noise in the background. I got so many machines running. There's a beam saw right there being operated. All right. So it's kind of noisy right here in the shop. All right, guys. So I hope you. That's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.